Hello guys, Global Studio here today for your SolidWorks tips and tricks. In this video we will learn about how to export this SolidWorks model into STEP file and IGS file. Both of these file types are very important when you want to open the SolidWorks file in some other software like CATIA, ProE, Inventor, etc. Without any delay, let's start this video. Guys, first we will learn how to export this model into IGES file. For that we have to go to file options and click to the save as option and then select the folder. For time being I am selecting this folder and give some name like blade, then click to the save as type option and then click to this IGES. Just check these options. Make sure this is IGS 5.3. Click to this IGS solid or surface entities. Then click OK. After that, click to this save option. As you can see, the file is saved now. Can you see now? We created the IGS file for this CAD model. Now we will create the step file. Go to file option again, take the save as option, then give the file name as blade1, and there is two options now, step AP203 and 214. Any of the two options you can select. First we will select the step AP203, then go to options, make sure this output we have to select as solid surface geometry, then click OK and then save. Now we created the step AP203. Now we will create step AP214. Go to save as option again and select the save as type AP214, then select the folder. I am selecting here, give the name as blade 2 and then check the options once, make sure this is solid or surface and then click OK, then save. As you can see, we created three files here. These two are step files, this one is IGS file. Now we will try to open this in SolidWorks. I will close this window and go to this folder and just click to this file and then drag it to the SolidWorks window. This one is reading the model now. It is loading, guys. As you can see, it is asking for diagnostics. Click no. As you can see, guys, here we successfully exported and imported the CAD model. Now we will try to import the step file. Both step files are same. We will try to import one of the file. Go to folder again and then take this blade 1 and just drag it to the SolidWorks window. As you can see, this file is reading now. The SolidWorks is reading the model now. As you can see, we successfully imported the CAD model. That's all, guys, for this video. I hope you guys learned this trick properly. If you guys learned this trick properly, then please don't forget to like and subscribe and also share. Once again, thank you for watching the video. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.